Welcome back to Cars Buddy 816, your home for timeless legends and the machines that move the world. If you breathe horsepower, style, and soul, hit that subscribe button now, because today, we're stepping into the future with a heart that beats from the past, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup. The moment you see it, that light lemon shine under the white marble showroom lights, you realize this is more than a truck. It's a piece of art sculpted in steel and chrome. A bridge between the legendary Rams of the 1970s and the cutting-edge design language of 2025. Ram's heritage goes back to when Dodge trucks defined American muscle on the open road. In the post-war years, pickups weren't about luxury, they were about power, grit, and work. By the late 60s and early 70s, they became symbols of freedom, men and women driving across Route 66, chasing dreams. The 2025 Vintage Edition honors that very spirit, but with 21st century precision. Let's talk design. The bold front grille pays tribute to the classic Ram face, squared yet modern. Chrome-lined headlights wrap around aerodynamic curves. The smooth lemon yellow coat reflects elegance, while its sculpted fenders hint at unstoppable strength. Every inch screams craftsmanship, not factory mass production. This truck doesn't just look good, it demands to be admired. Open those doors, feel the weight, the precision. Inside, the world changes. Black leather with lemon gold stitching. Polished aluminum trims. A digital dashboard fused with analog nostalgia, blending past and future. Every dial, every button feels intentional, designed for both the driver and the dreamer. Under the hood, the 2025 Vintage Ram doesn't whisper, it roars. A hybrid turbocharged V8 producing over 600 horsepower with instant torque. It can sprint from 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, numbers once unthinkable for a pickup. Yet it remains refined, whisper quiet in comfort mode, wild in sport. Dodge has engineered not just power but personality. Technology elevates heritage. The truck integrates AI-assisted drive control, panoramic 3D sensors, adaptive suspension, and smart load balancing. You can cruise through city traffic or glide through mountain curves with effortless control. Voice-activated systems respond like a personal assistant, because luxury today means intelligence. The stitching on the seats tells a story of human hands and precision machines working in harmony. Each chrome accent is polished manually before final assembly. The tailgate logo is laser-etched, not printed. The white marble reflections remind you, this is not a work truck, it's a rolling sculpture. Now imagine yourself behind the wheel. You touch the ignition, the engine hums like a heartbeat. Soft lights glow across the cabin. As you drive out of the showroom, city lights reflect off the lemon surface, people turn their heads. It's not about showing off, it's about feeling alive again. This isn't transportation, it's transformation. The 2025 Ram Vintage Pickup isn't just a machine, it's a message. A salute to every American worker, dreamer, and creator who built this country's automotive spirit. It merges nostalgia with innovation, the past that drives the future. From every chrome detail to every heartbeat of its engine, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup reminds us that power is nothing without soul. This is more than a review, it's a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and the road ahead. If you felt that connection, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Cars Buddy 816 for more journeys through automotive legends. Because here, we don't just show cars, we tell their stories.